Welcome to Beauty Garage. My name's Chris Dale, and today we're working on our Acura Integra project car. We're gonna be installing new front calipers, and before I do that, I'm gonna give them a coat of some fresh black caliper paint, and I'm gonna bleed the brakes, so I've got some .4 brake fluid and a brake bleeding kit. So let's get rolling. Go on. All right, so before I start painting the calipers, I'm gonna just tape off stuff that doesn't need to be painted. Okay, now it's cleaned up and taped up, it's time to start painting. While the paint is drying on the calipers, I'm gonna get started taking off the old calipers.
And you put on a mask.
Okay. Well, I guess that means it's time for lunch. While we get some lunch, you're gonna get some sponsored share. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. Oh yeah, All right, so the calipers are painted. I let them dry overnight and they look great. Let's take the tape off. All right, so now it's time to remove this bolt off the old caliper and very quickly put the new one on. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. All right, that side's done. Now to do the other side. All right, when working on your brakes or replacing your calipers or bleeding your brakes, you never want your brake reservoir to run out of fluid. So make sure it's full before you try and bleed your brakes, because if it runs out of fluid, that means you're getting air in your lines and that's not good. Now that the calipers are on, it's time to bleed the brakes. I've got this Bleed-O-Matic from O'Reilly's. So you put the little nozzle in the little hole, make sure there's no leakage, and then it has a little magnet so you can put it on anything metal. Now, assistant, pump the brakes twice and then hold it. All right, time to put the wheels back on and go for a drive. The new calipers are on. We removed the old red ones because they were leaky and put on some new black ones. We went with black because we prefer it over red. Do you like red or do you like black? Let us know in the comments below. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.